Hey everybody. So today I am trying a new thing, trying something new. I haven't opened it yet. It was a long drive for me. Not too long, but long, like LA long. So I'm trying a place called Gotta Have It Grill. And this place is on Western in Los Angeles. This is a pastrami taco, something new I've never tried. It has thick pastrami cut, has pickles and mustard. Very much an American taco here. I feel like this is good if you are gluten free, but not allergic to corn. Because like I'm gluten free, but I'm not allergic to corn. I can eat as much corn as I like, and I don't have any problems with it. I feel like my lighting isn't as good as it can be, but it's okay. Like it's been a long day. It is 5 p.m. This is my first meal. Haven't eaten. Can't wait to like take a chill pill. I got another item. Let's see what this one is. Oh, wow. This is a lot. Fish and shrimp. There's the shrimp. It's a big piece of fish, one big piece. And then this is fried pickles and then mac and cheese. So I am gluten intolerant, but I am not celiac. So I do cheats and I do cheat and eat gluten sometimes. So I did get their mac and cheese. It is very much like a macaroni pie, very thick, very dense. The cheese is grilled, like baked. So I'm gonna just go ahead and taste this with my hands. Very seasoned. Tastes like chives and parsley on top. And you see the chives and parsley? Yeah, that's very seasoned. Let's try these. They had ranch and stuff. They didn't give me any. I should have asked. I forgot. Fried pickles. Their batter's really tasty. The batter is very seasoned, and then the pickle is very tart, so it's like it seems like it's extra tart, but it's good. Of course, I was driving for like an hour. I stopped at a store and then finally made it home. So I'm pretty sure it was a little crispier at first, but it's still crunchy. I'm still hearing a crunch as I bite into this stuff. The fish is pretty thick. I think I got catfish. Yeah, it tastes like catfish. Usually I get snapper if I get a fried fish meal, but I went ahead and tried the catfish flaky. Okay. The batter is good and kind of helped me with the pickle situation. Because I was like, this is extra tangy. So the pickles are really tangy. The fish is not tangy at all. Okay. I'm so tired because it's like the end of the day. Sometimes when I'm tired, it's hard for me to eat. I already have like, I have like food intolerances, so I don't eat a whole lot. And sometimes it's hard for me to eat, which is why I watch a lot of food videos because it helps me with my appetite for some reason, psychologically. So when I get tired, it's kind of hard to eat, but this food is really, it's very tasty. I like the fish. The shrimp has a nice bite. I like the shrimp more than the fish. It's seasoned very nicely. Okay, I have one more item. This one's very heavy. I'm gonna have to do some meal prepping. For those who know, I do not eat a whole lot. Not at once anyway. Like I will eat this food, but I'm gonna have to like meal prep it. This is very greasy on the bottom, so I have to put it back in the bag real quick. Find something to clean my hands. Ooh. I got DUI fries. I asked him, well, what is DUI fries? He was like, it comes with steak, it comes with pastrami, it comes with brown meat. Like he was just naming all this stuff. He's like, it's pretty much everything on top of these fries. So I was like, okay, that's fine. Let's try that. So let me show you this. Oh, it's almost like half and half. Dang, this is so greasy. No, I think that was the steam. You know how steam builds up on the top of the lid? The lid is steamy. Okay. It's not that greasy. That got me for a second. Um, it's the steam. Okay. Um, half pastrami, half chopped steak, I think, like the Philly cheesesteak. This is very heavy. I want to hold it and try it at the same time, but drop something on the ground. Let's see how we can do this. Where's a fork, right? I think a fork. I'm so exhausted. I think a fork will help. Let's try the steak side. It's like chopped cheese. Very thick chew. It's like a cheese mustard sauce. The French fries are kind of thick, not shoestring. Seasoned French fries. Tastes like seasoned potatoes. Tastes like chili cheese potatoes, actually. Chili cheese fries. I'm guessing the chili cheese is underneath. all this meat. I think this is a pastrami. Yeah, it's pastrami. Damn, what's underneath the meat. So much cheese, it's a lot of cheese. Like a chopped cheese fry on this half and pastrami fries on the other half. They call it DUI fries. Fries to get over a hangover. I'm gonna have so much food to eat this week. Maybe even next week. I'm going to portion this out, meal prep it, put it in the freezer. It's a lot of food. Um, but it's all very tasty. It's all seasoned well. I would say made with love in a way. Tastes very home cooked, very hearty. More meat than I usually would ever eat. I'm not a big meat eater, but it's very tasty, very good. I think my favorite thing here is the shrimp, but everything is very, very tasty, very tasty. Definitely get some sauce to help with the heartiness. I believe she said that they had a homemade ranch. And somebody said that the ranch was so good, and I still managed to not remember to ask for it. Anyhow, this restaurant is called Gotta Have It Grill on Western in Los Angeles. I'm not big on eating leftover fish, but I'm going to freeze this and then just air fry it when I'm ready to eat it because I'm just too tired to eat right now. I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best to eat, and it's all so yummy. Hey, everybody, so I went to sleep. It is morning, and I am back to these leftovers because they are so delicious, actually. I already started eating this fish. So I didn't even warm it up. I started eating this shrimp. It is so delicious, cold. When food is seasoned well, it tastes even better left over because they make everything by the order. I didn't even try the catfish cold. Let's go ahead and break off a piece. Mm. The lighting's a little bad again. This fish is actually really good cold. Hmm. Still tastes fresh. I know I have a perk right here, but I haven't meal prepped this stuff yet. I still plan on meal prepping it and freezing it because there's so much. I'm trying something new, and that is some sour cream straight from California. And I got it from the Halal Carniceria. Carniceria. The Halal Carniceria in, I think, Downey, California. Somewhere next to Downey. If not in Downey, it's like right outside of the border. Hmm. I checked the receipt to see what city it was in, but the receipt doesn't actually say. But it's on Rosecrans. Oh, Rosecrans is usually Paramount, so it might be in Paramount. So I'm gonna dip this pastrami taco into this sour cream that we're trying out. Now this sour cream is not white. Ah, you can't really tell holding it upside down, but it's not falling, so yay. But it's not white, it's very yellowish. It's almost like an orange color. But one of the things I love is sour cream. I'm definitely gonna eat it with those French fries. DUI fries. Of course, I already explained this pastrami taco is not like a taco. It's very much like a gluten-free pastrami sandwich. I definitely feel like I can chew better now. Like when I was tired, it was so hard to chew. I get so tired. Like eating is not fun when I'm tired. But now that I've rested, wide awake, this is good. If I were to go back, I would definitely get the fish plates. Like all of this is really good. Their pastrami is not like store-bought pastrami. It's very much real meat, real pastrami, thick cuts, and it's not overpriced. Like some people have real pastrami and it's like overpriced. This one is actually a good price. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for entertaining me, and I will see you next time.